So I'm going to present to you guys about the winter condition and life in Tianjin, especially here in Tianjin University old campus. So there's a lot of talking with you guys, like if you do not know about the condition in Tianjin, like how is it like living in 4 seasons, so starting winter. So you have to prepare yourself to stay warm, such as with gloves, overcoat, scarf, and also where there is a freezing river and snow, which is technically a blizzard or like a rain of snow. Yes, falling rain, falling snow. Anyway, and of course about the conditions in the winter in Tianjin University, it could be as the previous period of the snow of winter, and as of right now there's a drastic condition, and I will show you around guys about the Tianjin University winter and also the whole area of the old campus. Along this winter is actually not so bad. The first time that I arrived here, of course, like my face is like hurled up with those strong winter winds. But as much as you want to go out and enjoy the winter and also take as much as precautions in the winter condition, you can actually enjoy the winter as much as you want. When you go out, you can wear a mask or wear a beanie or wear an ear covers. It all as what you want to take to enjoy the winter. So as you see in the freezing lake, it's not actually that freezing. It's like a kind of thin of ice, but if you step on it, it's actually pretty slippery. So please be careful. Even if you haven't seen this before, or it is like one of your first time of doing it, please, I recommend you to not do it. But if you are sure that it's technically your own safety and also the university awareness on freezing surface. So what you can do in winter at Tianjin University, well, you can go out. You can play in the freezing river, walk around. You can have a walk in the terrain that is full of snow. You can play a snow fight. Or you can just do as much as you want, as long as you can keep your own safety. And I hope this can give you an insight about how it is like the winter condition and how to adapt to it. Because as for me, when the temperature gets colder, it's actually much more difficult to adapt at the first place. Because when you feel cold, your body will adapt to it and your body wants to stay warm. There's actually a dog. You stay warm, and when you stay warm, you feel like you develop a fever or a flu, because it gives you a lot of worries. But when you get to your room and you feel warm, it didn't actually have any sickness. You just haven't adapted to cold. But it's normal for us, especially for us from tropical countries. We feel a lot of inconvenience. But as much as we learn, from the Chinese or from the people that is used to cold, I think it will be much more worthwhile to stay warm in the winter at Tianjin University. So that is the short version about the winter condition at Tianjin University, and I will see you guys in the next video.